何？
Look! Look! What the fuck is this?
Bazinga!
I am here. Well, I think I'm here. Is it working? It looks like it's working. My buttons just magically work today on my keyboard. That thing. Hello, Josh. Hello, Boom. How's everybody doing? How's your week? I don't think he's here. Who? Who is it? Who is it? I exist, Josh. How dare you? Apparently, oh, you are the same color as me in the chat. So when I look at the chat now, you and I have the same color, and I was confused for a second. But I see you also have the dark blue in Twitch as usual. Yes. Oh, so I actually worked on my game this week. I know, I'm as surprised as you are. And I got 2 things done. I fixed that bug I had last week, which is great. I am currently, because there was some confusion in another channel with me being purple. Why did someone take your purple away? Why are you not allowed to be purple? I think I've seen people go white because it annoys streamers who have their chat in what's it, light mode, which is, I think, is kind of hysterical. and that's what you get for using light mode. But I use dark mode everything because, you know, flashbang. But anyway, Josh, how was your week? Did you get up to anything fun? Same color, same moderator badge, same first letter in our name, and another moderator on another stream. We're being confused with each other. Bubbles has arrived. Hello there, Bubbles. What am I doing? What am I waiting for? Oh, Unreal's trying to launch. It's just taking its sweet, sweet time. Don't you love it when you start Unreal and you see a whole bunch of errors, but it just carries on, kind of like those errors you don't have to worry about. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. I was good. I did good. I started with my Dungeon Crawler side project. Nice. When's the demo? When is the demo, Josh? So when you say started, did you just go straight into Unreal? Did you make a game design doc, or did you? Yeah, I guess those are the only two options. Did you jump straight in, or did you create a design doc? Yes. No game design doc, straight into Unreal. So you did like I did, which is the bad way. That's fine. Oh my god, stretch. So I'm not sure if you remembered the last stream, but in the last stream I broke a bunch of things. And then I think actually on Sunday I told you I fixed it. I fixed it like 12:30 at night when I got back from something. And I realized why it was broken, which was kind of hysterical. And essentially it was broken because, well, obviously the code was doing what it wanted, but in the previous project, let me actually just show you what was wrong. Might be easier. It's a smaller game. If I do release a demo, maybe in 2 months, nice. I feel like I want to tell people, hey, I'll have a demo of this done in X number of months. But the more I work on this, the more work there is. And I feel like it's not getting smaller, it's just growing. And it's not a scope issue. It's just a game issue. Towers, where's the towers? Let's open. So in the electric tower, this detection radius thing that we have had the wrong collision. It was set to, I think, pawn or something, and that was basically causing my issues last week. So I changed, and the thing is, in the main branch of the game, this was set to tower defense detection sphere, but the code, the actual code for it, where it actually sets it, which was in, I think, tower here at the top somewhere. This was actually incorrect, so it shouldn't have worked, but it was cached. It had been overridden and never got reset, so it just worked. So that was a thing that I solved, but that works now. I'm almost done with the sword and shield combat. That was quick. So you said you just started it? At this rate, it might be less than 2 months. What crashed? Did StreamerBot just crash? No, it's still there. Something crashed. That was weird. Oh, but I can show you. So, I did some things. Why are the keys not working? Let me post a video in Discord for you to check out. Yes, please do. So, if I press start, my laser tower now works. It goes pew pew pew, and it actually doesn't continuously shoot, which is fantastic. I got that working. I'm super happy about that. Then the laser tower will now start with a thin line and then slowly get bigger the longer it targets the character. It doesn't look great at the moment. It needs some work, but the core principle for how it functions is there, so I'm happy with that. So yeah, that's what I did this week. And that was Monday, Tuesday. Then I had a company day on Thursday, and that was basically the rest of my week. Because I got back yesterday afternoon from that, and that was my week. I basically had a 3-day week. It was fantastic. And then I have a 5-day weekend because, well, kind of a 5-day weekend, because Thursday was company day, Friday was the end of company day, then it's Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday's a bank holiday, as you probably know already, Josh, since you're in the kingdoms that have been united. Let me check Discord. Is it there? Is it there? It's not there. Josh, where is it? Josh, where is it? Josh, where is it? Also, have you spoken to Marius at all lately? I spoke to him at the beginning of the week, but I haven't heard much from him. Which channel? Show off your work? Show your work? Or general? Or Unreal Engine? Or sub chat? Or welcome? I don't know if you can post in welcome. No, I haven't heard much from him either. Oh, okay. He's been playing a lot of Fallout from what I heard. Marius, are you lurking in chat? Are you there? Are you there, Marius? So today, I need to get the other towers working, but I also wanted to have a look at getting some auto formatters done. Oh, it's too big for some. It's too big. One sec. All right. So I'm going to download this. I'm going to see if I put this in, if it works. So we download that, then we go to... What do the instructions say? We should probably read the instructions. Oh, you didn't. No, don't. Okay, you didn't. Good. What did I... What? What was I saying? What was I doing? Where are we? Who are we? Boom, with long cat, long cat. That's what she said, joke. Oh. Boom, how are you doing? I was watching you play, what was it, Apex? You were a gamer. You were a gamer now. So let's where should I put this? In source probably. Because we don't want to edit the other files, so let's go Explorer. Let's put in the root there. Gaming! Boom's gaming. Boom's a professional gamer now. I feel like I got you killed in one of the Apex games, because just before that I posted a whole bunch of explosions and stuff, and then you were trying to listen for the enemy and you hearing the explosions from stream chat, and I felt so bad, but it was so funny. Oh, whoa. I think Boom, you've got like the most level of like CGI interactability in your games. Gaming Boom floppers. Did you post it? You didn't post it. So in theory, we put that in there, and then if I understand how that thing works, we go into Rider somewhere. Gotta compress it. Where was this? Settings, editor, code style. Settings, editor, code style. I don't see it. Let's edit to config. No. Should be co-style. Enable Clang format support. Where? That's style. Clang format. Whoops. Wait, let's move it to the root. Let's move to the root of the file. Control C, Control V. That one, open. Save. Save. Did it work? It didn't work. Okay, I'll look at it later. Posted. Let's go have a look. Download it. It's a foot. Ooh. That looks really good. You've got roll working, you've got block working. That's epic. Nicely done. Oh, you've changed the colors of your Unreal Engine stuff. That's pretty cool. I must do that. Nicely done, Josh. I feel like you're gonna have the demo ready in like a week. It'll be a week and then you have the demo. Dracula theme for Unreal Engine, it's free. I've actually heard the Dracula theme. I've used it in... I think I've used it in Notepad++. I'll have to check it out. That's so cool. I think Boom also has a different color for her Unreal Engine, doesn't she? Okay. I need to make a plan for today. Let's make a plan. So we've got the laser towers that work. We've got the electric towers that work. And I need to find... Boom has weird images on a blueprint graph. Oh, that's true. On the backgrounds. But it looks cool. Oh, you're not aligned. Now you are. Oh, that was mad. Do you see that? What is this? Oh, this is the Niagara text for when the enemy dies. We're not gonna all that. I need to let's make a list. List. Do you want to update? No. Never. Vexcan, hello. How are you? Let's make the list for today. Let's see, work on projectile towers. Because the instant towers are working. So that's basically it for the day. Struggling with my Unreal Engine 5 journey. What about you? I'm doing pretty good actually. It's progressing. It's progressing slowly, but it's getting there. So what in particular are you struggling with? Do you you're struggling to figure out what to do next? Or what to learn? This is so much to learn. I think that's part of the problem. Okay, so we're gonna get the projectile towers working because I don't think any of them work. And so let's just check something real quick. So inside of our project, we have towers, and so we've got the laser tower. Let's open Git and check what we did last in Git. What do you mean publish? No. Tower defense. Let's just rename this. Fine. Add Clang format. Then I have no idea what we did in here. I don't think we did anything in here, so let's just discard that. We shouldn't have changed anything. Format. Clean up nodes. Nodes like that. Commit. I'm working on a jigsaw puzzle game and I cannot get my material transforms to work. It worked perfectly with a perfect square tiles, but not that I am trying to use an actual puzzle piece shape. The material is repeating and I'm total loss, honestly. What do What do you mean by the materials repeating? Because a material will automatically repeat. Is it repeating, for example, more or less than it should? So what I mean by that is you can change the UV and the UV and something else and basically stretch or compress a material, because a material will automatically repeat, but you can change at what point it does that, if that makes sense. You can kind of like offset the XY. There was a thing for that. I don't think the Tempix bot is in, which is kind of sad. Can I fish? Oh, no. Once I prototype all the combat stuff and blueprints, I need to move it into C++. That's a good way of doing it. Not like what I've done, which is half-assed the C++ and blueprints at the same time, and then I just take them and I go, now Kith, and they're like, no, why? I had a perfect square and manipulated the UV to compress the material to fit the plane. Now that I made my first puzzle shape, which is like a circle sticking out, in the circle part it starts to repeat the pattern. Oh. I think I know what you're going on about. I don't actually know how you would fix that. I'm just wondering who would be able to help you with that. I mean, there's Prismatica. He does a lot of work with materials, so he'd possibly know a solution to that. Josh might know. Just Josh works with a bit with materials. Kerry might know. What do you think, Josh? Would Kerry know? Ah, my chair is breaking. I don't think so. Kerry would, the material wizard. Let me link you Kerry's stream, and then you should be able to get his Discord from there. He might be able to help you. Twitch. So, if you have a look at Kerry's channel, he does a lot of work with materials, and he's kind of become a master of the materials. So, have a look at his stream. Let me see if I can get you the Discord. He's got a help thing in his Discord. So, if you just post the message there, he should be able to give you some help. Well, yeah. Casey could help in Kerry's stream, in Kerry's Discord. So yeah, have a look at his Discord, and ask there. There's a lot of people that work with materials there, so one of them should be able to help you. And they're a friendly bunch, so don't worry about posting. No one's gonna be like, no one's overly aggressive or will say anything. People actively try and help you, which is nice, which is what it's all about. And Josh is a moderator, so he can help. Good Saturday. How are you? And Beat, I am pretty good. How are you doing? How is the Saturday treating you? Ugh. Hold on, I have so much stuff on my desk. Let's actually just move the junk somewhere else where it's not on my desk. Well, it's still on my desk, but it's in a different part. How's your week, Antbeat? What was I doing? Right, projectile towers, projectile towers. What do we have in the projectile tower? Let's start with that. Which one do we want to pick? Maybe we should start with that. Because if we open, what's it, mirror app. So still busy with the tower refactor. We've got the gun tower. We need to do the laser tower. We need to do, I mean, the cannon tower. We've done the laser tower. That's in and that's working. The lightning tower is in and working. We do need to work on the effect for the lightning tower. So let's go and add that to the board. This week treated me well. That's good to hear. Did you do anything exciting? I had a company day, which was pretty cool. It was a few talks, and then it was basically pizza and drinks. So, pretty good day. What is it? Code.io. Oh, missiles? Yeet, we're gonna have a missile tower. That is one of the things I want to add. Someone mentioned last week that we could have a... Well, I don't think we'll start with this, but it might be something where what we'll do is... So the idea was that you could have a triple state tower. So a missile tower that was close range, that would fire lots of fast little missiles. A medium one, which had a bit of, was like the mix between medium and long range. And then a long range tower that could shoot anywhere on the map. It was slow attack speed. And I asked AI for help of what to make it look like. And I actually really liked the design it came up with. If I can find it over there. Rocket tower. This is the thick boy that it made, but I kind of like this design. We've got the rockets attached to the side and they can kind of like fire off and then they just get reloaded and stuff. So something like that might be pretty cool. So yeah, that's what we're thinking for the rocket tower at the moment. What AI generator? This was... I think this one was actually Dolly from ChatGPT. I went through and I made it make me a whole bunch of things. The middle one is my favorite one for sure. Mine too. I like this. It looks beefy. Out of the thick metal options, indeed. How do you use that? Oh, you just go to ChatGPT. You go explore. Then you go DALL-E. Then you go, let me give me a chat. Start a conversation. And then you go, what do you want? Let's go a missile turret. The right one looks like the first version, and the middle one looks like max level bad boy firing all the missiles. Yeah, that's true, actually. It'd be cool if, so if we upgrade them, maybe they start off like literally just has one missile, and then, you know, we progress to, I suppose actually it would land up being this way around as the kind of the progression, like that. Like a bit of, you know, missiles and then just all the missiles. That progression looks solid. It's amazing when the AI actually does cool things. Thick. So the reason it says thick is we were joking around with the AI at one point in the stream and we're like, let's just type this in and see what happens. And it literally wrote text on the side of the thing, which is great. Rotund. No. Why? What are you doing? That's not an image. That's not an image. Dolly, why have you forsaken me? Please create an image of that? Question mark. And of a user missile tower. That's not really what I wanted. Okay, Dolly's on fire. Dolly is specifically used to create pictures. It's like it even has aspect ratio and stuff sitting here, and it goes, let me create this. There we go. Now it makes them. That looks terrifying. That looks absolutely terrifying. I need to upgrade. Time to hit up my mate. What are you upgrading? What software? Missile vehicle looks very nice. Be cool. Now that gives me an idea of what if we could have some towers that could travel. ChatGPT to plus. I'm still on free. Does he just give you everything you need? Like unlimited subscriptions for everything? Want me to see what Midjourney would come up with a sci-fi missile tower? Oh, yes, please. I was gonna resub to Midjourney, and then ChatGPT actually made something that I was not horrendous, and I was like, actually, it looks kind of cool, so I didn't. But yeah, go ahead. I actually quite liked what it came up for. So this was the original idea for the electric, but I kind of like this new style of the turret. And then one of my favorites is the laser one. Oh, we have the ads. There's no promo code thing. Like I really like these laser style. They're just so clean. Let me wait for the ads. Let me actually get my board opened.
Look! Look! What the fuck is this?
Ads. Yes, ads. Unfortunately, ads. Ads done. 50 seconds. 50 seconds and the ad's done. Alexa, stop. Isn't Alexa the most useful? What else did we have? So we had...
Oh my god.
Fire look cool.
Yeah. Hey, look at 5 stars. Oh my god.
Purple! How are you doing today? Are you streaming today? Oh, hello. Yes, hello. You're disappointed with what I came up with?